Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving headfirst into a game-changing report that's got the entire developer community buzzing. Think your coding skills are untouchable? Think again. Anthropic, the AI powerhouse, just dropped a bombshell. Their research indicates that people are using AI for coding more than anything else. I mean, seriously? Is this the beginning of the end for traditional coding jobs? Let's break it down and see what this really means, and I want to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Are you embracing AI in your workflow, or are you worried about being replaced? Let's get into it. So, Anthropic's report isn't just some passing fad. It's a serious indicator of a massive shift in the software development landscape. The report highlights the increasing reliance on AI tools like Claude for code generation, debugging, and even optimization. This isn't just about speeding things up. It's about fundamentally changing how software is created. What does this look like in practice? Imagine a developer spending less time writing boilerplate code and more time architecting complex systems, solving critical problems, and focusing on the bigger picture. That's the potential future Anthropic is painting. But let's be real, there are some serious questions we need to address. Let's talk about the direct impact on us, the developers. We're looking at a potential shift in roles. The days of purely writing code might be numbered, especially for entry-level positions. The focus is moving to strategic tasks, system integration, and problem solving. Think of it like this. AI is becoming the junior developer, handling the grunt work, while you, the seasoned pro, become the architect, the strategist, the leader. This means upskilling is no longer optional. It's essential. Are you ready to level up your skills and embrace the AI revolution? Because if you're not, you might just get left behind. What strategies are you using to adapt? And here's another twist. This trend is fueling demand for specialized AI models specifically trained for coding tasks. We're talking about AI that understands code syntax, identifies bugs, and even suggests improvements, all tailored to specific programming languages and frameworks. This creates a whole new market within the AI space, with companies racing to develop the most powerful and efficient AI coding assistants. Think of it as an arms race for AI supremacy in the software development world. Who will win? And more importantly, what does this mean for the future of coding itself? Is it collaboration or complete takeover? The answer is still unclear. But the impact doesn't stop with developers. This AI coding revolution is sending ripples through adjacent industries like education, training, and consulting. Universities and coding bootcamps need to adapt their curricula to incorporate AI-assisted coding tools. We're talking about teaching students how to work with AI, not just how to code without it. A new market for AI skills training is emerging, targeting both existing developers and new entrants. And consulting firms are scrambling to help organizations integrate AI tools into their workflows and optimize their development processes. It's a whole ecosystem evolving in real time. Are these industries keeping up, or are they already behind the curve? Now, let's get to the big picture, the socio-economic implications. On one hand, we could see a massive increase in software development productivity, leading to faster innovation and deployment of new applications. Think of all the problems we could solve, the new technologies we could create, with AI accelerating the development process. On the other hand, we're facing potential job displacement, especially in entry-level coding roles. The key is to focus on the opportunities that AI creates, not just the threats. How can we ensure a just transition for workers who might be affected by automation? This is a conversation we need to be having. Here's a silver lining. AI tools may lower the barrier to entry for software development. Individuals with less formal training could create simple applications, democratizing the process and empowering a new generation of citizen developers. Imagine a world where anyone with a good idea can bring it to life, regardless of their coding expertise. That's the potential of AI-powered development. But we also need to be aware of the potential pitfalls, like code quality and security. Are we ready for a world where anyone can code? Now, let's shift gears and talk about another major trend, the rise of open-source AI. DeepSeek, for example, is tilting the playing field in favor of open source, allowing more companies to leverage these models to build their own solutions. This is great for innovation, but it also raises some serious security concerns. With more eyes on the code, vulnerabilities can be identified and fixed more quickly. But it also means that malicious actors have easier access to the models, potentially leading to data poisoning and other attacks. It's a double-edged sword. So how do we ensure that open-source AI remains a force for good, not a tool for harm? The security risks associated with open-source AI are real and growing. Cybersecurity companies need to innovate new tools to identify flaws in these models. Cloud providers need to implement more robust security protocols to prevent misuse. And developers need to be extra vigilant about the code they're using. We're talking about a constant battle between good and evil, with hackers constantly trying to exploit vulnerabilities in AI systems. Are our security measures keeping pace with the rapid advancements in AI? I'm not so sure. Finally, let's talk about superagency in the workplace, the idea of empowering people to unlock AI's full potential. This means integrating AI into existing workflows, investing in employee training, and developing leaders who can effectively manage AI-driven teams. It's not just about throwing AI at a problem. It's about creating a culture where humans and AI work together seamlessly. This requires a fundamental shift in mindset and a willingness to embrace change. Are our companies ready for this transformation? The report suggests that leadership is the biggest barrier to AI adoption, indicating that effective leadership is crucial for success. But let's not forget the ethical considerations. AI raises a number of important questions about bias, fairness, and accountability. We need to ensure that AI systems are used responsibly and ethically, and that they don't perpetuate existing inequalities. This requires careful attention to data collection, algorithm design, and decision-making processes. We also need to be transparent about how AI systems work and how they are being used. The future of AI depends on our ability to address these ethical challenges head-on. Are we doing enough to ensure that AI benefits everyone, not just a select few? This is a question that keeps me up at night. So, what's the bottom line? Anthropic's research confirms what many of us have suspected. AI is rapidly transforming the software development landscape. This presents both opportunities and challenges. We need to embrace AI as a tool to enhance our skills and productivity, not as a threat to our jobs. We need to address the security risks associated with open-source AI. And we need to ensure that AI is used ethically and responsibly. The future of coding is not about replacing humans with machines. It's about creating a symbiotic relationship where humans and AI work together to build a better world. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on the latest AI trends. Thanks for watching.